Hey guys, we're getting hail right now. Well, we were. Yeah, we still are. I'm gonna go to another place. It's fucking pouring down here. Holy shit. Perfect, right over here. We're gonna get some 60-mile-an-hour winds. I fucked my toe up. It really hurts. I actually got my toe snapped. Yeah. We're gonna get some really high winds. Yeah. Fuck. The door's locked. Shit. I need to take a pee. I need to take a pee really bad. Holy shit. Yeah. Well, hey Skilly. Hey, he's not liking this at all. Well, yeah, I really have to take a piss. We're gonna get some really bad weather in a little bit. We're gonna get 60-mile-an-hour winds. We're like directly like in the heart of the storm right now. Excuse me. My fucking toe really freaking hurts. Ow. Oh man. This is one thing. I don't get how. Okay, this is what I don't get. I was expecting a wall cloud to come over. This is all we get. And yeah, I'm wearing my cleats. They're brand new and shiny. Yeah. So, damn it, I forgot what I was gonna say. So, well, we're gonna get 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, and we're gonna get some bad weather. It's gonna get bad. It's just started too, so it was. Holy shit! I shouldn't be under here. It was just hailing really hard. I got hit in the head about 1,500 times. I'm gonna run in real quick. Holy shit! Go. Whoa, almost broke my ankle. Wanna lose some focus on you guys? Okay. Well, yeah, we're gonna rain really hard on. Bruh, look at my toe. This toe right here hurts. Here.
They told divers they were ready. This is D-Day, said the commander. We have to act now. The rescue began at 10 local time this morning.
10
divers reaching the cave and attaching 2 boys, each one to 2 divers. Less than 8 hours after it started, the boys emerged.
Well, I'll see you guys. Okay. Yeah. Well, guys. Yeah. So, I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna just end the video here. I'm just gonna put some, footage when the wind really picks up. It's starting to pick up right now. It's coming. It's hail.